Hi everybody, it's Mrs. B, and I am going to make my Aunt Dixie's recipe of peach cobbler. The proper name for it is foolproof cobbler, and this is the first time I'm making it. It calls for some fresh fruit peeled, so we're going to go ahead and peel it. So I got peaches, and she said you can use any fruit that you want to use. So I'm going to just peel them like that. They're juicy. Try to get all the peeling off. Might take a minute. And what I'm going to do is, my hands are getting juicy. So before I go any further, the recipe calls for 1 stick of butter. And Aunt Dixie brought me the butter. And it's a Vermont creamy culture butter sea salt. So I'm going to use this butter. And I'm going to go ahead and stick it in here. And I'm going to put it in the oven and let it heat up. It's supposed to melt. And then I'm going to go back to peeling these, but I'm not going to make you watch during that. So I'm going to pause the video. When I get done peeling the peaches, I'm going to turn it back on. Hi everybody, the peach cobbler's done, so let's check it out. Alright, so it's pretty much cooled off enough to where I can like see how it turn out. Down the hatch, Aunt Dixie. Still a little hot, but oh my goodness, it turned out good. It's a little crispy on top. It's definitely moist. It's definitely sweet, but not too sweet. Guys, thank you, Aunt Dixie, for the recipe. I made it. I don't know if it'll be as pretty as yours, but it's definitely good. So you get the final look, guys. Alright, this is Mrs. B. I'm going to go sit down and enjoy that with my cup of coffee. Don't forget to like and subscribe.